my sweets, for today's tutorial I finally got around to do my late unboxing from Ipsy bag and the BOXYCHARM. As you already know, I don't get BOXYCHARM at my country place. I live in Puerto Rico, so we don't get that subscription here, so I have to wait until one of my family members from the States to send it to me so I can actually do the unboxing. So that's why the really lateness for this one. This would be May unboxing instead of June. So for my Ipsy bag, which I really love the packaging, we got this from Caudalie, the Vinosource Cream Sorbet Hydrant. I have already used this and I love Caudalie. This is one of my favorite and best brands for skincare. So I already know this is a really good one and I have it. So I'm gonna use my own and then I'm gonna keep on using the rest of the stuff that I got. Then we got the Porefessional from Benefit. This also I have used it and I know that it's really good. We got this Pacifica Tomboy Vibe Natural Mineral Eyeshadow. This is a little mini palette. Also, we got the single from Ofra. And we got this, I don't know how this is pronounced, but I think it is Hanalei Lip Treatment in Mauve Pink. And this is all from the Ipsy bag. So from this, I'm gonna use the Porefessional, as in maybe the Ofra single, and the lip treatment and the Caudalie. I think I'm not gonna use the Tomboy Vibe. And then from BOXYCHARM, we got the Alamar palette. This I'm dying to try it, so that's why I'm not gonna use the Pacifica one. We got a set of brushes from Luxie. This is really good brand. We got a set of falsies. We're gonna use these ones as well. We got this cream from Sol de Janeiro. This is an excellent brand. And we also got two more items. We got a matte lip paint from Girlactik Beauty. This is another extremely good line. And we got this eyeliner pencil in charcoal from Jonteblu. Jonteblu, something. This is it. I'm gonna start by prepping my face. I haven't moisturized because I got that moisturizer, so let's start with that. This is how it looks like. I'm gonna rub this in my entire face. Now I'm gonna use the Porefessional. I'm pressing this to my face instead of rubbing it. To apply my foundation, I'm gonna use one of the three brushes that I got in my BOXYCHARM. This is the Luxie 660. It's really soft, this brush. So far I like it. I'm gonna apply my highlighter now, and I'm gonna use another of the brushes that I got from the Luxie set. This is the Luxie 522 Tapered Highlighter. My bad, I thought that I was filming the first eye that I did, but thank God that I noticed. So now we're filming the other one. So the shade that I start with, the name is Varadero, this blue shade here. And I'm gonna apply it all over my mobile lid and a little bit in my natural crease. I'm doing this in tapping motions to press the pigment exactly where I want it. I only dip my brush in the shadow once, so it gives you a lot of payoff because I did my entire eye with just one time. And now with a clean brush, I'm gonna get rid of the hard edges that I have, and I'm gonna blend the shadow into my lid. This shadow has like little bits of shimmer in her. It looks so good. Now for my brow bone, I'm gonna use La Costa, this kind of a rosy undertone shade. And as well, I'm gonna do it in tapping motions. I'm gonna press the pigment inside. And then instead of using the same brush, I'm gonna use my finger to blend it, because I don't like very much to have a color in my brow bone that is really noticeable. So that's helped me to blend the color a little bit more. For my inner corner, I'm gonna use Celia. This looks like kind of a turquoise color. And on top of it, I'm gonna apply La Costa. Exactly in my inner corner. Now I'm gonna tightline my lashes with the liner that I got in my BOXYCHARM. This is from, I think it is pronounced Jonteblu. This is a color charcoal. I'm gonna apply it first in my bottom waterline, and then I'm gonna tightline my top lashes. I'm gonna apply a little bit more in my bottom lashes, exactly on top of them, to have kind of a smoky look to them, but I'm gonna blend it with another shadow from the palette. The one that I chose is Trópico, this one. And I'm gonna dust it in my bottom lashes. I'm gonna apply my falsies, and these ones are from Battington Lashes. The style, it doesn't say the style in them, so, oh my bad, it is Monroe 3D Silk Lashes, as always with the help of a tweezers. I'm gonna press the center first, and then I'm gonna take care of the sides. Now I'm going for lips. I'm gonna use the Girlactik Beauty Matte Lip Paint. This is in color Playful. So sweets, this is the final look. I really love the Alamar cosmetic palette. I'm in the middle of a indecision with the lashes. They're big, and I try to trim them, but still my hooded eyes, I think it's not the style that it actually suits me. But regardless of that, they are really lightweight and really nice looking lashes. The color of the lip, I already used this brand, and she's really good. I really like as well from the Ipsy bag the lip treatment from Hanalei, I think it is the name of it. The brushes, I love that brand, the Luxie one. It is amazing, those brushes. So far, the Caudalie I already use is really good brand, and the Porefessional from Benefit is also a really good primer. So overall, all the things that I got from my Ipsy bag or my BOXYCHARM, I really like them. The May boxes were really good, in my opinion, or the items that I got in mine. So I hope you like this look. I hope to see you in the next one. Remember to press the bell button to get notifications every time I will load a new video. And if you like this video, please please press the like button, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.